Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plaza, and today we have a 2017 Toyota 86 GT, stock reference number 5413. The shape runs from the 4th month 2012 through to the 9th month 2021. It has an FA 22 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. FA 22 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the left-hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left door has one small dent and light wobbles, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Boot lid appears to have no damage. Pair of aftermarket LED tail lights. Bumper bar has some scuffs on the right hand side corner. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right power door mirror and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag without a tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, power fold type. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, touchscreen CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor and the instrument cluster.